Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's going right through it.
Okay then. So we're hitting it.
Yeah.
If you see it move, then that's it.
No, I think that's it.
No, you hit it in the bottom. That's why it moved.
Oh, okay.
You tried to kick it out.
There you go.
Hit in the bottom, yeah.
Yeah, see, if you hit it in the bottom, it'll flip.
Don't hit in the bottom. Ganda nung kitso. Hindi pumapalo eh. No, Perom! No!
What?
Perom nga.
Oh. Hindi naman yung nakasamang scope eh. Naka-safety lang. Hindi nakakanta dyan. Oo, yung sa ibabaw nung pinakatatlo na sa ibabaw nun. Mike?
Get you a clip.
Wag yung metal!
Doon ka na sa dito.